Hey guys, what's going on? MJ from Wrecker RC here. We're here for an unboxing. What did I get? Well, let's go ahead and find out. I was asked to do a review, and the company that asked me to do the review did make a point to, highlight, please be honest, and, give us your honest opinion. Now, apparently I have a little bit of a reputation of beating the crap out of stuff, because I'm hard on stuff, I'm not gonna lie. So, and this particular company did highlight, and what I do really appreciate is on their actual Amazon website, link below by the way, they blatantly say that this thing is not totally waterproof, which is awesome. They give the IPX rating, which I believe is IPX5. As you can kind of get a little sneak peek down there with what it is. It is an RTR. Got some qualified shocks, and it's 4-wheel drive. I am interested to find out if it's a locked or an unlocked differential. And you guys know that no matter what it is, we're gonna bash it, we're gonna test it, and if I can in a later video, we're gonna up the ante, because America. Here we go. It's the Protector. Here we go. There it is. Haiboxing. Gotta get it right. This is item number 12815. And it is one of those buggies. You've seen a couple other YouTubers give a honest opinion about it. And it's my turn, which I was very honored for a representative from Haiboxing. Yeah, we got her open. There she is. Alright, boom. What we got here? First box. Bring this in here. Okay. So there is a little bit of assembly. We have a tire. Not too much foam. It looked like fun. There we go. I do like that there's a Phillips head given. Looks like an axle. Some body clips. Okay. What's this here? This looks like the battery. Okay. Interesting. Now, most of you guys, I'm used to getting LiPo batteries. So this is a little bit of a different experience to see how these lithium ions are going to react. Also, I'm interested to see if there's going to be any difference in anything. Man, these mosquitoes are tearing me up. They're the silent little killers, I'm telling you. Alright, so it does come with a battery charger. Here we go. Does come with a remote, so it is probably it is RTR. You get the book. Alright, you get a few nice little sticker package. What I really like about the sticker package is it kind of gives you a little bit of room to play with. I got some small stickers, some large stickers. Nice, well done. And they're actually, what I like them, they're also attractive. I think that gray on that yellow will stand out pretty well. Actually, that looks like a spare tire, to be honest with you. Alright, let's see what we can get here. Oh, it is a spare tire. Oh, cool, they give us spare clips and whatnot. Alright. Oil-filled shocks, it feels like, because it's not super springy. Alright, and she is actually zip-tied in there. So, let's unzip tie it. And y'all know me. This body is not going to last super long because I am hard on stuff. So this actually might be a very good vehicle to start my daughter on for her own driving. Although she has used my Rustler. All right, so I do also like that it has a protective coating on the plastic. Plastic's thin. I'd say no more than 0.30. But it's got a very attractive paint job. There's no question you won't lose sight of this particular truck in anywhere. I really like that. Here, we'll just do it this way. I think this will be the easiest. All right, one more. Guys, I appreciate you sticking with me here because it is what it is. All right, so boom, boom. All right, there it is. I'm gonna flip this around. Doing this left-handed while I'm right-handed holding the phone is a little tough. I'm not gonna lie. Aha, there it goes. One. Come on, you. And to record this, I am using an S8, Samsung S8. So, there it is. Boom. Woo! Alright. Here's the on-off switch, which I like how convenient that is. That's metal. And come on out. I'll put that clip right there. Put that clip right there. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. One thing I like about that is it's very easy to flip that forward for a battery change. So it doesn't look like... No way. Oh, guys. Alright. Sorry, let me bring this in. Here it is. Alright, so power on the red button. Press and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Power it off. Press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. So that's going to be for setting something. So this is a 7.4 volt. So they're pretty much using 2S. This is a pretty small motor. And I do see in front there, I see a drive shaft telling me that it is going to be true 4-wheel drive. Okay, actually inside here you can see the differential. So here's your diff. It is a dog bone there. You see your diff coming in the front, coming up to the up. There you go. You can see your differential right there. I do like that you can adjust the shock angles on here. That's pretty awesome. So you got a shock angle adjustment up there. It's not too much, but it might be enough to have a little bit of fun. What else? Do you have the Life-E batteries right here? So you actually get two sets of Life-E batteries. I like that. So you can switch it out. It does have a heat sink on there, so you can for cooling. An independent rear suspension for a buggy. This might be a little fun. This definitely might be fun. It's what I like about it all up front as well. Weight-wise, I'm gonna put this down. Weight-wise, it kind of feels it's a 50-50 balance. So what that's gonna be, it's gonna be fun for some rock racing and having fun. I don't know if I'm gonna put the spare tire on, because that might actually mess with the balance of it. I do like a front heavy balance, and that would make it a little... Alright, so if you do 50-50, here's 50-50 at the driver. It's still leaning forward. So it's a metal up underneath. Alright, so it's pretty close to 50-50. Sorry, I'm getting out of focus there. It's pretty close to 50-50. Maybe a 55-45 balance. So we are going to have some fun with this little truck, and we'll see you on the track. This could be fun. All right, see you guys.